Digital skills, the future of procurement. That's the title of the research paper we've just published alongside Simon Gill of Proxima, and it's a really important document. Why? Well, because it sets out a vision for the skill set required by procurement if it's truly to embrace this digital revolution. It's also important because of the calibre of people that we interviewed to produce the report, and it's also really important because of what you can do with it, and that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So, for example, I've uploaded this document to ChatGPT, and I've asked it a series of questions. I ended up producing some really valuable assets in a very short space of time. So, for example, I asked it to write me a job spec for a modern CPO, and the outcome was amazing. It was brilliant, and it encompassed all things we'd spoken to these CPOs about. So I asked it to deliver me a digital transformation leader job spec, a category manager, a procurement graduate, and it's ended up producing job specs for people at all levels of the procurement organisation, encompassing the skills that they'll be required to deliver in their jobs. And of course, it varies from level to level. The CPO is different from the procurement graduate, of course. So then I thought, well, what else can it do? So I asked it to ask, how can you deliver a maturity assessment on technology? How can you deliver a maturity assessment on digital skills? And it gave up some wonderful information. So I asked it for the fundamentals of a digital transformation plan, and it gave me a great document which could be used for planning a major digital transformation. I said, what about change management? How do you deliver a change management program designed to upskill your team? Again, a wonderful planning document that could be used with a little bit of human oversight, a little bit of critical thinking, what are the important skills that we highlighted to be the fundamentals of a change management program to upskill your team. So I said, well, what about workshops? How would you plan a workshop to develop skills like critical thinking and strategic thinking, digital literacy? Again, wonderful outcomes. And the final thing I asked it was, how can you win the battle for talent? How can you use it for talent attraction? And again, it gave me some great ideas. All these things I've now got stored and I can share with those that are interested. So if you're interested in seeing a copy of the report or you're interested in some of the digital assets that I've produced as a result, please do get in touch. I think you'll be pretty impressed if I'm honest. Thanks for watching.